Let's go for a pharmacy.
Select your hero.
We can go triple DPS, double splash if you think they're likely to run that sort of thing.
Yeah.
I mean, we can always switch off if we're attacking.
How's your Junkrat zones?
Mediocre, I'd say.
Okay.
Though he is
Don't we
Junkrat.
want tank on Junkrat?
Oh, we do, yeah. Well, Pharah. Who's gonna play Pharah?
I mean, I can play Junkrat, but it's not going to be mind-blowing.
Do you play
City.
Pharah or Junkrat better, Zounds?
Junkrat, probably.
Okay.
Cindy, you want a Tracer? And we run solo Winston? Is that the comp, or is that what you meant? Ref? Or no?
Yes, or you can solo heal, or you can, yeah, I mean, whatever you think's going to work best. But yeah.
If we're running pharmacy, I'm not too much into solo heals.
Okay, then we run
Yeah.
double main
City.
healer.
Cindy, can you trace? Double main healer? Yeah, okay.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
This is no time for standing around.
Finally found somewhere where I can kill myself. Haha.
Alright, let's try this. I like this.
See to matters personally, but I will see them done.
We're going bottom left or
Yeah, as usual.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A. Hello there.
Right there, top right.
Alright, that's perfect.
The admin with Sombra behind.
That's annoying. Alright, everybody here?
yeah,
Alright, let's
they're high
go
ground.
quick. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, left side on point.
Go point, go point. Tracer's on point. I mean, Sombra's on point. I can't heal you sending an orb.
Who are we targeting here? Brigitte is really low.
Inside.
I'm on Brigitte. But just back up Pippin. What? I'm trapped.
Okay, get out. Reset.
Okay, what are we targeting here? Mercy, I suppose. Get out,
Okay, ult it.
or die. Yeah. Damn it. I got the orb. Alright, go right side. Get the high ground. Hopefully they haven't regained it yet.
Haven't yet. Okay, I hope so. But
They're on it. They're gonna go on it.
Do you want me to tire it?
Wait a bit. Wait for us to engage.
I missed, sorry. I could probably
Alright.
get them off with my concussion blast.
Yeah. Let's try to take high ground so we can die from it.
Alright, we're going up stairs, right side.
Yeah.
You have my thanks.
Watch hook here.
Yep, Brian's off.
Going behind
Just
them.
get him off. Just get them off. Okay. They're off. Can you res Cindy?
Ryan's still high
Can we
ground.
engage? Just play safe. Wait a second.
Someone's in the building behind Cindy, are they?
Zarya's
Sorry,
in.
here.
Zarya's in.
She's out.
Alright, we're gonna
Okay,
dive
we ready?
Mercy.
Where is she?
3, 2.
Where is she?
She's on point.
Okay,
Go
going in now.
quick.
She's dead. I'm on Ryan here. I'm back.
Somewhere. Nice. Run.
Hog is really low.
Hog. Kill him. Nice.
Alright, nice.
Beautiful. There we go. It worked. Alright, they swapped
Yeah, nice early
to...
fire.
They
They've got
swapped
a
the
pro.
Hog to D.Va and McCree.
Start the payload.
We should still be able to play against this. I'm gonna stay on payload, you guys push forward. Alright, new dive target is McCree, okay?
Yeah.
Ooh. They don't have triple tank anymore, so if you
This
die
is-
sounds, you can go back to...
There's a Ryan, D.Va on
Brian's
payload.
way too far up. He's
Yeah.
alone.
Yeah, kill Ryan. He has shadow though, Punish him.
Use.
It's okay.
I'm on D.Va. D.Va is half. D.Va is half.
D.Va. Mercy.
Mercy. Still mercy.
Mercy. She's getting healed so much. Nice, Genji, or I mean, Brigitte.
I want to res, but Tracer's on there.
That's fine. Kill Trace.
And Resling.
McCree, push him.
No flash.
Healing him.
Went to the top right,
I'm on Mercy here in the back. Anyone
I'm
with
on
me?
card.
Just go to the set now.
Come back. Alright, still. Oh, they have a Zen. He's new. Okay, dive him. He has no chance.
Alright,
Oh.
going in. 3,
They're coming
2,
top.
1.
Oh boy.
Set. Do I have any?
Tracer. Alright, I think we lost that.
Yeah.
So you still want me on Junkrat or do I swap?
No, swap. Go. I don't know.
Out, tank.
Yeah, Soldier. Soldier's fine.
What happened on the dive on Sen? Did we get cut off?
You went alone. We're on triple. We're on triple DPS. Remember. I think we weren't ready. They're on high ground here. Just go. No, go lower. Follow me. Wait for missiles.
Oh,
Okay,
shit,
let's
that's
go.
lower. My mistake.
Trace is in. She has no pulse. Zen.
Zen.
Oh shit. Dead. Nice. Get out if you can. Don't die.
No, I can't.
Alright, there is Zen. Out, try again. Alright, can you go on D.Va Cine maybe? And maybe, alright, let's go for Barrage and then after we can try Genji if that doesn't work. Need a... Wait, you're still in Cine, it's okay, don't swap yet. Okay, well. There's a Zen on high ground, I think.
Tracer behind?
Yeah, all of them are up top.
Yeah.
Tracer behind.
Can we pressure point? Cine, can you go point?
Let's get this moving.
Okay. Tracer, no recall, Tracer's in.
Tracer
Nice.
dead.
Alright, let's push forward. Zen and McCree?
Yeah, going. 3, 2, 1. I'm on Mercy. She's alone on right side.
Mercy. Nice, dead. I'm healing you. You're okay.
Okay, he trans.
Lost trap.
D.Va can die though before he gets here.
D.Va.
Winston.
Monkey.
He ulted.
That's one. Nice.
Nice, huge visor. Okay, heal tank. Heal tank. Oh, I got you.
I'm dead here. Fuck. McCree
Lucky.
spawned.
Like I said,
Alright, we got
McCree
it.
left side. Cine.
10 seconds remaining.
who's got it?
Nice, good job.
Beautiful. Alright, definitely want the D.Va here.
Split spawn, someone?
If you could go back, Cine.
I thought I saw someone spawn.
It doesn't
Like,
happen
yeah,
as often
make
now
a quick
because of
for
the location. The new swap. Oh boy,
Should
I'm low.
probably swap. There's not much. Oh no, there's more open space.
Alright, Tracer right side, she has bomb, probably.
If you want to swap, yeah, go for it. You could go Genji, actually. Zen's close. Zen has no chance yet.
Okay, we
can
wanna
go
go.
on
When I can.
Yeah,
3,
we want to go on
2,
him.
1, on Sen. Sen is really low. Sen is dead.
Run, Rhino shoot, run one. Oh, he got away.
I'm dead here.
Oh, unlucky. Alright, get out.
D.Va's at a mech.
Yeah,
Nice.
go Genji. Alright. We got Zen, right? We got him early?
Yeah.
I don't know if he has trance yet. Nice kill, great kill. No!
Sen's left side. He's one.
Do we have res? Wanna shield this?
Yes, please. I'm gonna res in one resing.
Okay. Cool, let's go.
I've got visor.
Three
Okay,
left side? Or, I mean, soldier? I
Sen.
don't know.
In 3, there is no Sen. Is there a Sen?
Yeah, there's a Zen. He's hiding.
Be right.
Yeah.
Don't have the flag.
I'm close to. Oh shit. No. Fuck. I think we took too much poke. We were a bit indecisive. I think we could have gone left side as well. I think, or no, I think it was the route of approach.
0. Switching sides.
We couldn't do anything because of that pillar, right? Couldn't jump into them directly. We had to expose ourselves to jump into them.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
they were
we need to
playing.
change it up for the last point. It's one of those where it's quite different.
Yeah. But yeah, maybe we could have gone Ryan Zarya or some shit. I don't know.
Set up here, or is a hog, or dive?
I don't know, man. Let me see what had I thought. Yeah, I have no idea. So whatever. Any suggestions?
Where are we setting up?
On point. Easily.
High ground behind point?
I like defending on point.
Okay.
Normally to the left and also to the right. But
Yeah, I definitely want that. Yeah. Hog and then.
I notice they have a Thyra. Should probably have something for that.
Do you want me to play soldier?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Well, Soldier on McCree.
Yeah. Soldier on the high ground could be good. I play this and I sit on the high ground with Soldier.
I think Kalius and Mike is really low again.
This is special.
Nope.
No,
It's-
it's-
something's different than usual.
I've put you up and you're still very low.
Behind the barrier.
Bring us closer.
It's like your plug is not really plugged in. It's like halfway there.
How's that?
Was that
Okay,
plus?
here's the thing. Pippin, come up here.
Strategy.
Holding up here?
Yeah. If they run dive, we need to have some lookout. If they're running like a quad tank or a triple tank, we need to drop down, okay? And we hold at this corner.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna get enough recon. Are we? They have Pharah. Yeah, they're running dive. Okay, we're perfectly fine where we are. Pharah Discord. Try to boop us off.
They're on the high ground left.
Winston
coming
coming
left.
in.
Shit. Healing.
Listen to this
Mercy.
route.
I fell off onto point.
Mercy.
Sand and Mercy really low.
Nice. Diva.
Thyra's on point.
Can leave her.
Leave her.
I'm on.
Oh, she walked into the trap. Alright. Go back to high ground. They swapped to Genji from something. I don't know what it was.
They had a Genji just then.
I literally just saw him swap maybe, and I'm crazy. Alright, they're gonna try again. That was a bit of a failed dive from them because they're
Winston got close to the
Winston
trap.
went in alone. Fire Discord.
Thyra's buff.
Nice.
Winston coming in again.
Genji Discord.
Now they're
Okay.
backing out.
Not
I
surprised.
think this is what we needed to win. Just put Tinkalius on Junkrat.
Don't take poke from them again.
Do we get a barrier? Do we not have a barrier?
Yeah, Genji's bottom left. He might want to come again from behind. No, he's top. Monkey Discord.
He's really low.
He's so weak. Push him.
Thyra's one right side.
He's dead.
Nice.
Sorry, Diva.
Diva to me.
Genji's in.
I need heals.
Get you behind.
Genji. Genji behind half. Coming back, I have Trance in one. There,
Trace is one. Trace is
Nice. I'm not gonna trance this, I think we have it, right? Okay, no we don't.
Yep,
Kill
got
Genji.
it.
Oh boy.
Still winnable.
I
Okay,
don't know.
No.
Should've pressed Q. My bad.
Just so you know, Zounds, whenever Vasha says we have it, that means you should push Q because we don't have it.
Okay.
And then I look at the tab page while pressing W like a fucking bot.
Sorry, I should have warned you. I didn't know what you were doing there. It
Just
looked
botting out.
suspicious.
Yeah. I also didn't get to think twice before pressing Q because I got insta fucking killed, but anyway.
They're coming top right.
Oh shit, I just fell down.
Alright, take high ground here. Oh, shit.
We've got tired. Do you want to it early?
What do they have to stop it? You could, yeah. Even if you take out a tank. Mercy's Discord, top. Diva's Discord.
Winston use primal to stop dying from it. Winston's dead.
Tracer's in, I need help.
Yep.
Fuck.
She's off.
She's weak. Nice, nice, nice.
Cassini, do you have
Tracer's
hook
low.
right now?
We need to contest. No one's alive. Oh no, you're alive.
Everybody's
Again,
alive.
you behind.
Come back soon. I'm healing you, Pip.
Nice hook.
Nice hook. She's dead.
Genji's in, Tracer's.
We're getting behind.
No more ults.
Oh,
Kill monkey.
Mush is in the trap,
he
the
jumped
right
away.
side.
Oh, she's.
Right side?
No,
Mush is right side alone.
Yeah, chase her, chase her, chase her. You got her, you got her. We can catch her here. I got her.
Genji's dead.
you want to go high ground again, or we're holding?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take high ground, take high ground. Alright,
It's a long way.
you're close to tire.
The journey to Aya is accepting more passengers now.
Might try coming left side. To avoid taking. No, no, probably top right. Yep, my trap on right side is destroyed.
Yeah, they seem to be coming
We're
right.
gonna have Diva Bomb, I think.
They're moving down. They're rotating.
But monkey's gonna jump it. Monkey. Kill him.
He's solo. Jumping down. I'm on point.
Final card.
Winnable? Is it?
Okay.
We're still with another
We have
easily.
another fight here.
Ah, I got bongo.
Got tire.
Remember that the point is not as close as we think it is.
Alright, we ready?
Genji's right side.
Did they blade that? No. We're gonna be
Gonna
close.
tire. Tire early.
Alright, go. Point.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, it's okay, we win this fight, Take oh god.
I'm getting
Stand in the
booked
back.
away.
Alright, lose the fight. Yeah. Alright, can we go...
You said like the point is closer, but it's still just I couldn't. It's so stupid.
Ah, it's fine, happens. It's a new change. It took me by surprise the first time too. Monkey's in. He has primal. 1000%.
No, he doesn't have primal. He used it.
Okay. Kill monkey then.
D-bottom make.
Nice.
That's coming main.
Oh, he got.
Genji. Nice, Tracer.
Remember, we've only got 4 meters. We need to start.
Yeah.
Coming back. Bongo as soon as I can.
We're okay, I think. Use it though. Use bongos to close it out. Oh, nothing else, no. Not yet, please.
Mercy's one.
Diva.
So I don't want to die. I'd rather use this.
Yes,
not
go!
lose.
Use it! It's a long out fight. Thank you.
Easy.
Monkey on main spawn.
Diva.
Monkey
Primarily monkey
coming back.
iron card.
I'm still new at this.
Alright, nice. We
If the
got.
fight lasts longer than 20 seconds, you could use more ultimates.
Yeah, I'm just pressing Q next time you say no, don't use any more ults. We can
well, fine. That's just someone else make those calls. 'Cause I'm clearly shite at it. He's in Discord. He is.
behind. Nice. We should contest.
You guys are okay. No, you don't need to contest, dude. It's
We've
the
got 3
tank's job.
meters.
Tank's job.
It's 10 seconds.
Moira,
More on point.
nice trap. Okay.
Where is he?
Ah, fuck is he?
He got blown up.
Tracer in. Tracer no
He was
recall.
in a trap.
Tracer. Kill her.
Good, yeah.
Nice, good job.
Oh, that was good. We stuck to empty that for the entire thing. Worked pretty well.
Play of the game.
What?
It was on that aura attack.
Did 3 of us die to this?
Nerf this.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
on top.
Yes, I found some map geometry.
Oh, I didn't. I wanted to try Brigitte with this comp, but yeah,